This will be a short video. We're just going to cover the part of the assignment where, if you recall, in the higher-lower card game, notice how we say card 1 of 20. I can say higher, lower, and things like that. So in the code, I want to add that, and I want to use methods correctly so that we're correctly displaying what card number we're on. Well, we know that current card is telling us it's the index of which card we're on. But when we're on the index 0 card, we don't want to say you're on card 0 of 19. You want to say you're on card 1 of 20. So to do that, we're just going to add a line here. If you remember, I called it TB card num. TB card num corresponds to, let this load. It's this slot where it says you're on card 1 of 20 or whatever it is. So that's TB card num, and I want the text of that to say something like you're on card number, some number, we're going to say current card. We know that's wrong, but we're going to put it there for right now. Now I could put 20 here, but for kicks I'm going to use the length of our deck. So it'd say card number of our deck. So whenever display current card is called, it's going to do that line as well, this is perfect. But notice it says card 0 of 20, and so on and so forth. We want it to say 1 of 20. Now 19, because this is our index value, 19 is the last one. If I hit next, this is where we crash. We already saw that in the previous video. So I'll stop this. We're going to come back here. We're going to say, well, we really want to say it's always one more than the current card. So I can say current card plus 1. Now, if I put my mouse over operators, it says that this is a string concatenation operator, where it says string.operator plus, that means concatenation. But right here, I'm expecting this to be the math operator, but it's doing string concatenation. So if I run this now, it's going to bend your mind, but it's going to say card 0, 1, and then I'm going to the next one now. It's 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. That's not what we want. But what it's doing is it's concatenating the current card value, which is 0 first, plus 1, but in a string way. So it's 0, 1, and it's not the mathematical. To override that, we need to put parens around this. So it's now, if I put my mouse over this now, it's now doing the int plus operator, which is going to do addition. So now it's going to say, can you guess? It's going to say card 1 of 20, and so on and so forth. And so when I get on the last card, which is index 19, it's going to say card 20 of 20. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. I'm not going to click another button because it'll go and crash. So that's your quick crash course, quick video on how to track which card number you're on. And then we'll see you in the next video.